Hi guys, I'm doing a reaction review video on the gentleman's box. I promised you in a couple of videos back there was a gentleman's box I purchased for my husband. His birthday was in August, so I want to do a reaction review video. But first, let me let you know I did not get the box I thought I was going to get because I was looking at an advertisement for fall 2019, not 2020. And this commuter bag would have been something perfect for him with all the attachments, compartments. It came with cool things like a watch. Since I ordered the fall 2020, I got a formal gentleman's box that came with a lot of items he already had. Of course, I didn't let him know this was not his gift until after he had opened it because we were recording. So I'm going to go ahead and run this footage and let you see what our reactions were, and you tell me what you think in the comments.
Is it working now? How's the battery?
Alright guys, for some reason the battery cut off, so we're back. We're doing an unboxing, and it's a gentleman's box. So it's kind of like those Fun Fit Fab boxes, but it's for men. And since it's my hubby's B-Day today, I would like to give this to him to unbox as one of his gifts. So we're going to start. There's actually instructions in here on what we're going to be looking at item by item.
What's she
Okay.
get? Is this all muscle?
Yeah. So this is the premium subscription box for a premium gentleman, a curated quarterly box. So
I get a box like this every quarter.
yes. So this is your first one.
Okay.
Let me let you guys see what it looks like. So this is how it's set up, and we're going to pull each item out. So this is what it says: premium subscription. And looks like you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 items in this box. Where are you talking?
I'm sorry.
All right, so it looks like we've got 7 items in this box. And why is that thing beeping?
Well, we was gonna use the GoPro. It's our first GoPro. We was gonna check this out and see how it works. And we cut it on, Avery cut it on, and we found out the battery's low. So that's what was beeping. Sorry about that.
All right, so guys, you're going to be in suspense just like I am. This is for you. There's about 7 items in this box, so let's just start handing them out. And you open them and let them know what it is.
Wow.
Wow.
There's a watch inside.
Who's it by? It's by Breed. So you get premium quality items. Bless you, Avery.
Thanks.
There you go. It's pretty nice, huh? Wow. You actually got a snake skin. What kind of band is that?
I'm not sure. Looks nice though.
So far so good?
Yeah. Does
Yeah.
it have a description on that?
Usually it tells you, like, if there's a particular type quality in it, it'll say, like, on the actual item. Genuine leather. So there you go, guys. It's genuine leather.
So
No man-made material. So this is an actual premium box. Can't go wrong with that. All right.
this one says is a travel tie case. Yeah, I know, right? Never had a case to carry my ties in before. That's a first.
Oh, so they don't get wrinkled. Whoa. Well, at least that's my assumption. You never have to iron another tie. But what do you think?
That's nice.
Okay, let me let everybody see this. Okay, guys, so this is the little pretty, I say pretty, but it's masculine. See the outside of the case? And you got the velvet red, ruby red interior. Oh, wow.
We even have a tie to put in from Ocean.
What do you think about it? You like it? It's a nice universal tie.
Yeah, it's a universal tie. It's pretty nice.
So it actually gives you your first complimentary tie to go in here. Pretty cool. So how do you like it so far?
It's nice.
Okay. So that's item number 3.
Glad you're keeping up with the count. This is a 10-piece manicure.
Okay, so this is a manicure set. You want to hold it up so the camera, everybody can see it? I'm going to read off to you what's in it. So if you're on the go, you travel, this will help with what you need to bring with you. It's got a clothes brush, comb, spectacle screwdriver, nail cleaner, nail clippers, toenail clipper, cuticle scissors, eyebrow tweezers, nail file, and a multifunctional folding knife. Okay, you can go to the next one. Did you want me to open it?
No, I think we got the handle.
Okay, so go to the next one. So that was number 4. Number 5.
What's number 5?
That's tiny.
I know. It's kind of hard for me to read the letters while putting on my glasses.
Oh, it's a gentleman's cologne.
That's what happens when you have too many birthdays. You gotta wear glasses to read stuff.
So, it's a Prada Luna Rosa Carbon. So if I totally messed that up, I apologize, Prada. But I want you to smell this.
Sure, it's spraying on Avery.
Why don't you look like that?
It's spraying on Avery.
So guys, this is a Prada cologne
You don't spray
for
it?
men.
I thought it was a spray on the top.
Mm.
Isn't that a sprayer on the top? Isn't that a sprayer? No, it's not. Okay, it looks like a sprayer. Oh,
Alright
nice.
guys, so there is actually
Oh, nice one.
a very nice smelling product for men. It's a cologne that came in the premium subscription box. All right, so that's number 4. What else?
I don't know, what's left in
Actually,
here?
that's number 5 because you got the tie in here.
You got that one and this
Okay, here. Do this one.
Avery.
You
Avery,
want me to read
you
it?
gotta have a turn too.
Okay.
I'm trying to see what's on the list.
Where do I open it? Let's
No,
see.
you're doing all right.
Now, take it out.
Oh,
Oh,
what is that?
wow.
Look like a. What is it?
Yeah, those are cute. They almost match your tie. They don't really match the tie, but there's some nice quality socks. How you like them?
Nice. Put them in one of my suits.
I'll bring it a little closer. So those are the socks. I might have to close those blinds so you can see
Yeah, come
the
on, fine.
lines and stuff.
Well, it's up to you. You think, man.
All right, so those are the socks, guys.
All right, so we got one more gift left, right? All right. That's
There you
the last
go.
gift.
Whatever it is, it's 100% silk. Oh, wow.
It's 100% silk. And what is this?
Open
A
it up.
Gotta be a robe, right?
This
Oh,
is
wow.
definitely a gentleman's box.
Wow.
It's especially if you travel.
All right, guys, we are going to give you a closer look of the roll, but first I wanted to let you know that these premium boxes quarterly cost $100. So I did talk with him and ask him afterwards what he wanted to do. We did decide to cancel the subscription, but at some point I'm sure he will be able to use this box. It's just that he has everything in it already. Now, if you're interested, I will leave the link for the gentleman's box. I'm not giving it a bad review. I just should have known what I was ordering. So if you guys do go and purchase one of these, just make sure you're looking at an updated advertisement. And let's go ahead and get back into this video.
All right, now you can get a better look at the roll. There you go.
Light shining all on it.
So this is it, guys. You've got your white trim navy, which I think is absolutely beautiful. And happy birthday.
Thank you, sweetie.
You're welcome.